Greeting of the day. You all are welcome at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. I, Sukhbir Kaur, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics.
I, Tanmay Markandevar, Associate Professor at the Department of Pharmaceutics.
We are going to give demonstration on alcohol content in the herbal formulation Aswa. Aswa are the herbal formulation which are prepared by using herbal extract or herbal juices with the addition of sugar or jaggery and the flowers of woodfordia. And the fermentation process is caused by the addition of woodfordia. Because of this, alcohol is self-generated in such formulation. So, it is mandate to determine the alcohol content in such formulation. Alcohol content can be determined by more than one method, that is gas chromatography, distillation method, solvent extraction method, enzymatic method and silic ammonium method. The use of any method depends upon the sensitivity required in the system. Practical. First is the requirement. Marketed sample of ASPA, distilled water, measuring cylinder, specific gravity bottle, heating mantle, round bottom flask, bends, condenser, pipes, adapter, collecting vessel and aluminium foil. So take 25 ml of the marketed sample ASWA. Put it in RBF. Take 25 ml of distilled water in the measuring cylinder. Put it in round bottom flask. Put it in round bottom flask. Now put the round bottom flask in the heating mantle and add anti-bumping agent. Now put bend on the round bottom flask and the another end of the bend to the condenser. Add adapter to the condenser to the next end. Put receiving vessels. The receiving vessel is covered with the aluminium foil so that there is no evaporation of the alcohol from this place. On the tap, switch on the heating mantle. Set the temperature of heating mantle 70 to 80 degree. Let the distillation start. Before setting the assembly, make sure certain precautions are taken. First is you must take the round bottom flask bigger, 3 to 4 times bigger than the sample you have taken, and the receiving vessel must be covered with the aluminium foil in order to prevent the escape of the alcohol from the receiving vessels, and anti-bumping agent must be added to the round bottom flask. Now distillate is ready with us. You can see it is very clear. Okay, collect 23 ml of the distillate. 23 ml of the distillate. Make sure it is clear and make up the volume 25 ml with distilled water. And measure the specific gravity of this distillate using specific gravity bottle. Experiment, that is the determination of the specific gravity of the distillate. Specific gravity method is the easiest and simple method to determine the concentration of alcohol volume by volume in the sample. The specific gravity of absolute alcohol is 0.7899, while the specific gravity of distilled water at 25 degrees centigrade is 1. So you must have the specific gravity in between 0.7899 and 1. If the value is close to 1, that means it is having more of the water content, and if it is close to 0.7899, that means it is close to the ethanol. So in order to measure the specific gravity, take the weight of specific gravity bottle. Take the weight of empty specific gravity bottle. Note it down. Fill it with distilled water up to the brim. Place the stopper and note down the volume weight of the specific gravity bottle. Similarly, weight of distillate is taken. Okay, now come to the calculation part. We have noted the weight of empty specific gravity bottle, then weight of specific gravity bottle filled with distilled water, that is W2. From that, weight of water is calculated, which comes out to be 25.23 grams. Similarly, the weight of distillate is calculated, that is W3, which comes out to be 42.42. Then weight of distillate comes out to be 25.10. So we are ready with the weight of the distillate and weight of the water. The apparent specific gravity is calculated using these weight, which is the ratio of the weight of distillate to the weight of water, which comes out to be 0.9948. By referring AOAC chart at 25 degrees centigrade, because all the practical is performed at 25 degrees centigrade, the alcohol content in given sample was found to be 3.51% volume by volume. This particular method is official in USP Pharmacopoeia. It is comparatively simple, which can be performed in any lab by using simple instrument like the distillate assembly and using a specific gravity bottle. Okay. Now we have calculated apparent specific gravity of the sample, which comes out to be 0.9948. This value is to be studied from AOAC chart. You can see this AOAC chart. In the column, vertical column, you are having apparent specific gravity, and the horizontal line, if you see on the top of the chart, the temperature of the distillate and the water starts from 20, 22, 24, 25, 26. You can see the values from the chart. Now you just read the values from the apparent specific gravity column. It starts with 0.9999. If you scroll downward, just read the value 0.9948. Okay, you reach at the value 0.9948. Okay, then come to the horizontal value at the temperature 25. This value is 0.51. If you just look at the 5 columns above, it is 3.51. So the alcohol content at this apparent specific gravity comes out to be 3.51. So in this particular practical, we have learned about how to calculate the alcohol content in given sample of Aswa. The purpose is not complete if I won't thank my colleague Madam Kirandeep Kaur, Mr. Tanmay Markendkar. I also thank IT Department, ISF College of Pharmacy. I also thank management of ISF College of Pharmacy who gave us the opportunity to give demonstration on the practical.